Hey, welcome back, my Scrappin Friends. This is Vanessa with Scrappin' It Up, and this is an update. I want to let you guys know what's kind of been going on and what's coming up in 2020. Yay! It's going to be a great year. I can feel it, guys. So I had been up until about 2 months ago. My mom got pretty sick, and I haven't been doing anything with the business, but now I'm trying to get back into it. My mom is doing better. So I had left off where we were working on the 4 folios. I had taught you how to do number 1, number 2, number 3, but I hadn't taught you how to do folio number 4 yet. Okay, I do have the video done. I will get that uploaded just here probably either today or tomorrow. And so I want to get that. I will be showing you how to make this box that these store in, okay? And I did leave you plenty of room in your box because I know how you guys like to stuff. And I did put Tyvek on the back, my spines of my folios to help strengthen them. I colored them. So I did show you how to do that. I think like 6 months ago, maybe 8 months ago, I showed you how to color your Tyvek. I was just messing around one day and I thought, wow. And we've been doing quite a bit of the coloring the Tyvek. I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, I will be doing some videos on how to make this storage box. Okay, that's coming up real soon. If you haven't grabbed the cutting guide, I gave out the cutting guide and the written instructions how to make the folios. If you would like that, go to my website, sign up for my email on my website, and I will send you the cutting guide, okay? So that's that. The next thing that I had promised you guys that I had never gotten done yet, we made the notepad holder for the small notepads, and I promised you that I would be doing a one for your 8.5 by 11 notepad. So I've been working on it. It's coming, guys. So just be patient. It's a work in progress. But hopefully here real soon I will get it done. It does have a Craftex binding on it. It does have chipboard covers. And it opens up and you have a pocket here for your calendar. Another pocket here. And a pocket here. I hope I'm in camera. Okay. Nice big generous pockets. And we're going to have a pocket here. And then we have our notepad, and then we will have a place for our pen or pencil. Okay, so that is what's coming up. I do have another project we're going to be doing for March Madness. I've done this for the last 3 years. Last year we done the travel folio for March Madness. This year I'm doing something a little different. I need you guys' help. Okay, I want you guys to decide, do you want me to make a folio or would you prefer that I make an album with hinges? Okay, and it's usually about the 2nd or 3rd week in March is March Madness. And yeah, I want you guys to vote. Do you want an album with hinges or would you prefer like a folio? Okay, so an album with hinges, you have your hinges in the spine of your album. That's an album with hinges, okay? Or a folio, like here's a folio. Believe in the magic of Christmas, okay? This is a folio, okay? So, I need you guys to vote. Just leave it in the comments below. I'll tally them up. Whichever one wins, that's what I'm going to be teaching you for March Madness this year. It will, I will teach you how to construct from start to finish, and I will also be putting photos in it for you guys. I will show you how to put your photos in an album, okay? I know I've promised you that for a while now, and it's going to happen. So yeah, so just let me know in the comments below, album, folio. I'll tally them up, whichever one wins. That is a project that I will come up with. I will have a cutting guide and that for you. So yeah, okay. I'm anxious to see what you guys vote for. Yeah, because I'm here to help you guys learn how to scrapbook. That's what it's all about. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's what's coming up. We will be doing a National Scrapbook Day project too. When that time gets closer, I will announce that project. It will probably be a very simple, easy project. But yeah, that's what's coming up, guys. So it's going to be a great year. So, okay, let me know in the votes what you want, an album or a folio. Okay, talk to you guys later. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.